I have the OnePlus Watch 2 and I'll be showing you how to get out of power saving mode. So this is very simple. All you need to do is go to modes. So just swipe down from the top and then tap on this button. There are plenty of buttons here, but you want to look for this button that almost looks like an infinity sign. Tap on that and that takes you into modes. We are currently in power saver mode. As you can see, it says in use. Now to turn off power saver, just go back to smart mode. So tap on smart mode and tap on enable, and that should restart your watch back into the smart mode, which will have turned off power saver mode. Thank you for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.